Hello dear traders, you are watching InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. I will present you currency and commodities markets review. The US dollar little changed on Friday as investors were on the watch for the news from the G20 summit. The US dollar index closed at 96.13 on Friday, falling by 0.5% on a weekly basis. The core personal consumption expenditure price index rose by 0.2% in May as expected, reinforcing investor expectations that the Fed will cut rates at its next meeting. Against the euro, the greenback declined by around 0.7% over the past week. The common currency surged after data showed the eurozone inflation was stable at 1.2% in June on the year, offering some support to the European Central Bank. Meanwhile, the British pound rose on Friday on upbeat first-quarter GDP data. Sterling ended Friday's association higher at 1.2693. However, worries about a no-deal Brexit restrained the currency's gains, so it posted a weekly decline of 4.04%. Meanwhile, Bitcoin peaked on Friday, ending the day at 12,349, with an intraday gain of 10.26% and a weekly increase of 29.2%. Earlier on Thursday, the king of crypto lost nearly $2,000 in a matter of minutes. Analysts attributed the slump to a brief shutdown of Coinbase, the most popular cryptocurrency exchange, but other experts said that the rapid correction was inevitable after a quick rally. In the commodities market, crude oil prices declined by more than 1% as traders remained cautious ahead of the G20 summit and an OPEC meeting in Wien. International benchmark Brent crude futures for September settled unchanged at $66.55 per barrel on Friday. For the past week, the Brent price gained 3.26%. For the month, the Brent crude price was up 3.2%. August West Texas Intermediate crude lost 96 cents to settle at $58.47 a barrel on Friday. Still, US crude was up 3.21% over the past week. For the month of June, WTI price climbed by 9.3%. Meanwhile, gold prices were flat on Friday, but ended the month with the biggest monthly gain since June 2016 amid uncertainty over whether US-China trade talks between would yield any progress and prospects for looser US monetary policy. Futures for August delivery on the COMEX diversion of the New York Mercantile Exchange settled 0.1% higher at $1,413 a 3 ounce on Friday. The price showed a weekly gain of 1.41% and a 6.83% increase on a monthly basis. However, gold prices declined below the important threshold of 1,400 once following Donald Trump and Xi Jinping's meeting over the weekend, at which the leaders agreed to resume trade negotiations. You are watching a review of the currency and commodity markets on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.